Thanksgiving is around the corner, and I'm sure you're looking for side dishes. Easy, simple ingredients, and delicious. And I have that for you today. Brussels sprouts with some bread, tomatoes, oregano, white wine, and Nardello pepper. It's a very simple dish to make. It requires minimal preparation because almost everything is going to go into the oven, but it's just about the quality of how you cook these vegetables that are gonna make an amazing dish. Let's start by preheating our oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to put the onions on top of aluminum foil, and then we're gonna drizzle olive oil seasoned with salt and pepper for flavor. We're going to make like a little pouch. And then when you are almost done, before you close it, we're going to add a little bit of white wine. The white wine is going to add a lot of flavor to these onions, and that acidity is just going to be incredible. Okay, so now let's place it in the oven and cook them for about 20 minutes. You need to keep checking them because your oven might be hotter than mine, and vice versa. Okay, now we're going to mix all our ingredients into a bowl, and we're going to season them with olive oil, salt, and pepper. So we're adding seaweed, dulce seaweed flakes. This is just to add an umami flavor. If you don't have them, you can omit them. Also, we're adding Nardello peppers. These are one of my favorite peppers because they have a lot of flavor. Their complexity in flavor is just amazing. It's incredible, and it's not even spicy. It's sweet, it has like tart notes. It's just amazing. If you don't have Nardello pepper, use bell pepper. Then add the tomatoes, and then use your hands. This is the time for you to use your hands and experience this cooking. It's actually therapeutic. In a small bowl, let's place our bread already diced. We're gonna season with olive oil, salt, pepper, like super fresh, super nicely. And then we're going to add that to our mix of Brussels sprouts. On top of that, we're going to add the final touch, that is oregano. In this case, I'm using Mexican oregano, but you can use Italian oregano or Greek oregano. It's fine. Let's mix everything and pour it into a lined baking sheet. And then we're going to roast them for about 30 to 35 minutes until the Brussels sprout have some beautiful color. As you can see here, our onions are looking wonderful, really good. Caramelized, sweet. This is gonna be that sweet touch on top of the salad that is gonna make you salivate so badly. This is the Brussels sprouts. I'm just using a spoon to spread them around and to see, if they need a little bit longer or not. I'm going to leave it a little bit longer for a little bit more color. If you prefer them like this, it's up to you, I just like a little bit more color on the Brussels sprouts, but you can leave them a little bit less roasted. Then now I'm going to add here lemon zest, mandarin zest, and orange zest, just to add all that citrus flavor, all that aroma, and then squeezing the lemon juice to add that acidity as well. Mix it all, taste it, and if it needs a little bit more salt, adjust the seasoning. If you want more lemon juice, add more lemon juice. I'm going to stir in some cilantro leaves to add that freshness, and then on top I'm going to put a little bit more. So every bite has a little bit of cilantro, and it's just going to be super delicious. Then you can top it with some cashews, some chili flakes, it's optional that as well, and then more cilantro. Look how beautiful. At the end, I'm just going to put more of those caramelized onions. Oh my God, I'm already salivating, guys. This just looks so delicious. And that's it, guys. Super simple recipe, simple ingredients with a simple technique that we're using today for a delicious side for your Thanksgiving dinner or even for your everyday. Why not? Just add some grains and that's it, guys. I appreciate you Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching this. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, again, what are you waiting for? Thank you so much. See you soon, guys. Blessings.